how to create a photo book the quick and easy way. Go to 4dphotobar.com and click Photobooks. And for this one, we're going to choose a printable hardcover. Let's choose a standard one, and we're going to go to Begin Creation. Again, I recommend the heavyweight Mohawk paper. It's what the premium places in the US use for their best photo books. Click Begin Creation. Okay, and we're going to add photos. Okay, so let's upload a whole bunch of photos from our computer. This is best done on a computer. And we're going to upload them. Okay, while it's uploading, let me explain a couple things. The photo books, it's best to always save your project as you're working on it because it does take some time and you might want to edit it a bit later. And saving it allows you to go back and fix it. Okay, so we're going to hit process this time and it's going to give us some nice options. Here I can drag the photos around to choose which one I want in which order. So if I want the mother in the beginning, I put her there. If I want this baby right after, I drag it and I put it right there. Okay, then we choose our layout. And we have different types of layouts for all the pages. You can change the layouts on each individual page or just get one standard layout to start with. Let's just start with this one to begin with. Okay, and let's choose a theme. I can go up here and decide between many different themes. We can do a black and white theme, or we can do a simple theme such as a soft pastel, which is great for babies. We're going to do a soft pastel. We're going to hit continue. Okay, and if you're going to see right here, it's except for the cover page, it's laid out the photos automatically based on the theme. So let's go here to this theme. Let's say I want to change the layout. I can go here and choose from a different 3-photo layout and it will change the layout. Okay, let's say I want to move this photo around. I can actually go pan and zoom and move the photo here and hit apply. Okay, let's say over here the baby's face is cut out, but I want to show a little bit more of it. So I click on the picture, I hit image crop, okay, and I can literally move the picture around a little bit, or I can pan zoom to move the face down. And if I want, I can actually make the box a little bit bigger to show more of the baby. And she's showing underneath, and I can take these, and if I want to change how big they are, I can unlock the position, and having that as a guide, just move this around, and this one here, unlock it as well, and make it smaller. But what I've done is I've given myself a head start by having it automatically do the layout for me. I can add text if I want to, and write anything I want, and drag it around. Okay, and for the cover, please take a note of the bleed safe lines. Okay, so you're going to add a photo here, for example, add this image to the page, and we'll put it here. But if I put, for example, the baby's eyes near where the green lines are, it's possible it's going to get cut off because we're printing always a little bit bigger to trim it to place it at the end. So you want to keep the most important parts of the image in the center, but you want to cover the whole background. So you don't want to leave it like this. You want to make sure you cover it full. So you want to put it towards the edges. Okay? We can even put a theme behind it if we want to, or change the transparency. So for example, if I want to put a color behind it, I can do that, or I can put it to blue. And now I can do it that way. That will work nice. Okay? Don't forget about saving your work. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your book.